Now that Hagen showed you how to use ChatGPT, let's look at another readily available tool, Bing. What you're going to do if you want to use the Bing chat function is to open up your Edge browser. Once you've opened up your Edge browser, go to bing.com. Once the bing.com page has loaded, look in the upper left corner and you should see a spot that says chat. Click on that. As the window loads, you'll see a new screen roll out, and it will ask which of the three conversation styles you'd like to have with the Bing chatbot. Go ahead and select whichever one is most pertinent to your use. From here, you can start your conversation with the chatbot. You can use this much like ChatGPT. You'll receive similar responses. So you could go in there and, for example, ask it, what is Division 7 in the CSI master format? And it will give you that information. You could also ask it, how can I use public transit to get from North Campus to South Austin? And it will give you some options to do that. And again, much like ChatGPT, you can ask it specific details or ask it to refine an answer to better suit your needs. So go ahead, get after it, have some fun with these tools, and we look forward to seeing what you come up with.